Hi there, it's Kaikane once again. In this short episode, I'm going to talk about respecting the culture you are living and teaching in. In other words, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Of course, you're going to master the language, absorb, enjoy, and respect the culture of where you plan to go to teach, stay, live, make bank, and whatever else you want to do. This is a dead given. It will only make your stay and adjustment more smoother, more fun, exciting, and much more chill. Not to mention, you will certainly attract all those around you of wherever you are, as they will see that you are open, cool, and willing to speak their native language and accept their cool culture. Be cool, men and women. Keep yourselves in check, and if you want everyone to like you, be around you or with you, accept you, especially your private students, then you must be better than the average man or woman who is also living there, who's a foreigner. Be the coolest, dress your best, and know your stuff. Have an open mind, a cool attitude, and a great personality. Then you'll see everything fall into place and happen right before your eyes, and have tons of students with tons of money. Be sure to check out my website, getrichtechingenglish.com, and get my book if you haven't yet. Also, if you have any in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, the best places on where to move to teach English overseas, learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching, and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website, getrichtechingenglish.com. I also provide resume and reference service as well that will help you out greatly. Have a great day and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.